Guys, I just want to take the time out to wish everybody a happy Easter. Hope y'all have a safe one. But we're at the Cracker Barrel now, one of my favorite places to eat of all time. We're just, me and the wife is going out and enjoying the day. So I'll probably be showing you some video footage of the Buc-ee's. I don't know if you know what that is, but it's a huge gas station, originated in Texas, but it's a great place to visit. I bet they have about 200 gas pumps, and it's like a mini Walmart in there, but they have some of the most unique stuff in the store there. I can't wait to show y'all. They have camping gear and outdoor stuff. Okay guys, our food just come out. This is, I'm telling you, it's the absolute best breakfast that you can buy, and there is the nice nurse herself.
Hey y'all, happy Easter.
We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go to Buc-ee's up the road. Hurrah! United States Marine Corps. That's a nice cup. Cracker Barrel always does a good job at putting a veteran section in here. They got stuff for the Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Pretty cool, ain't it?
Sundays. Sure, we want to go in there?
I can't believe how packed it is. I figured it'd be a light day. We are too. Guys, it is absolutely a madhouse today. So many people. So many people. Gets my spidey senses up. Check that out. That'd be good for camping, wouldn't it? Perfect. Might have to look into that now. See, that's what I'm talking about, guys. You don't see this anywhere else. Ain't that cool? Want that for my camper. Look at all these people. It is unreal. Oh boy. I'm going to the camping gear. I like it. Better down here. Over there where the food is at is just absolutely crazy. I love this stuff here, guys. Most unique stuff. Look at that. Mama, I like that. Bear. It's a cool place, y'all. Ooh, I like that. We got some nice hats. It's an experience in here, guys. It really is. Like that right in there. Billfolds. Beautiful now. Beautiful.
That's what she was supposed to say.
I don't think I got any pocket knives. Oh, look at him, look at him. What have we got? Oh, Kershaw. Look at that Boca Tree brand sheath right there. My God, I did not know they had. Now see, I don't know anything about whiskey bent, guys. I think they're China made. But Boca. Check that Kershaw out way back there. Ain't that beautiful back there? $99. Oh my gosh. I see where I'm getting, y'all. See that Bear and Son? I know that Bear and Son right back there is made in the United States. Look at that. Man, I'm getting that. That thing's coming home with me. Ain't that cool? Look at it. These right here, the Bear Edge. The Bear Edge knives for Bear and Son. They're made in China. So just keep that in mind if you're looking for the Bear Edge. It's got to say USA on there. If they don't, the blade don't say USA, it's made in China. See, like this one here. Look on the back, it's made in China. They sell cold steel over here too, y'all. Even though it's China-made knives, these are well-made knives. They're made in China. I'm not gonna buy no China-made knife. Cold steel is a SOG. I like these. These are pretty cool. Made in China. Steel magnets. Look at that. Too bad they ain't got a. What a knife. Made in USA. Georgia Bulldogs. Go Dogs. $17. That's pretty cool. Probably made in USA. We should have a Sasquatch something. Guys, there's another Bear and Son. See about there with a sheep? This is so awesome. There's another Bear and Son right there. Look at that one. Beautiful, ain't it? Yes, sir. Oh, look at that one right there. That's another Bear and Son, y'all. Ain't that awesome? Ooh, check the tactical one out right here. Bear and Son, y'all. That thing's pretty right here. Is that a Bear and Son right here? It is. Look at that Bear and Son right there. Man, I gotta get in here, y'all. Dude, I did not know they had pocket knives. Bear and Son. Made in the United States.
Okay, Mom, these guys are polarized.
This was $39.
What hell?
So awesome. Very cool.
Yeah, Mom. That's nice. It's on my side.
Love this little knife right here.
Let's say hi. Get it.
Sunglasses, not knives.
That one's pretty right there.
I don't like that.
Yeah, sure, but you can't get in trouble for sunglasses.
There you go. Yeah. Awesome. Alright, I know I'm definitely getting this one.
Which one is that?
Right up here, 11.
No, I have them down here.
Oh,
These
okay.
are just displays.
I think it was. I want this one too.
11 and
5.
5?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Phoenix flashlights. Very good flashlights here. Phoenix. Okay, guys. 3 Bear and Sons made in USA. I paid $140 for them, but I got 3 great USA made knives. We'll be going over all these when I get out of this madhouse. My spidey senses are up, but it helped a whole lot when I found these knives. Woo! People everywhere. Ooh, boy. You ready, Mimi? Before our next camping trip, Mimi, gotta get this. Buc-ee's, Warner Robins, Georgia, I-75. Can you believe they had knives? I can't. Guys, I did not know they had knives at Buc-ee's. I didn't. So we got 1, 2, 3 knives. All for $140. The taxes was $10. Bears and Son Skinner, that's that one. Then you got the Farmhand. It's kind of like the Sodbuster right here. Then you got the Rancher Stag. This is Stag handle. All of them made in the USA, guys, by Bears and Son. But if you ain't never been to Buc-ee's, it's really an experience. I did not expect it to be that crowded today. I should have known, though. A lot of people are traveling. Last time I went was like a year and a half, 2 years ago, to probably a year and a half at Christmas time. And that place was just like today. It was packed. I think it was worse today, though. So this one right here, guys, is the, it's kind of like a sharp finger, but it's called the, it's 7 1/8 inches long. It's a Stag Darren handle. But these are made right there in Jacksonville, Alabama. Comes with a full lifetime warranty. It gives you a little code there to register your product online, a QR code. But check this out, guys. That sheath looked pretty good too. See, it looks just like a Schrade sharp finger, but this is a Darren handle, carbon steel blade. If you can see it right there, it says USA. It's pretty cool, ain't it? It's sharp now. This thing is sharp, but it looks good, huh? Ain't bad for $30. Made in the USA. Ain't that cool? It's nice, ain't it? This one here, guys, I'm gonna be giving away in our next giveaway, and it's gonna be, I think, April the 15th, tax day. April the 15th, we're having a giveaway. Okay. We got a lot of items too to give away. I can't wait to do it. And now this one here is called the Farmhand. They overcharged me because, see, the price wasn't but $24. And this is a Bear and Son. And you see it's made in the USA right there. But they charged me $29, which. But check this one out, y'all. I fell in love with this one now. It's kind of like the Sodbuster on case. That's what it looks like. Look at that. See how thin it is? Ain't that awesome? And you see that right there? It's got USA carbon steel. And that thing is sharp. But look how thin it is. Got that nice little pocket clip there. It's nice, ain't it? I'm gonna carry this thing. Try it out for a little while. Ain't that awesome? But you can see the Bear and Son. Might be able to see it. And it is a lot blade. I think you can see it better this way. Yeah. See right there? Bear and Son. Made right there in Alabama. In Jacksonville. It's pretty cool, ain't it? Awesome. I wish they made these in green. They might do. You can check online. But I like Bear and Sons. I really do. Now the Bear, what's the other brand? The Bear Edge or something like that. Now those are made in China. They are. And I'm not going to buy those. But I will buy these all day long. USA made. Farmhand. Bear and Son. Now this one here is the star of the show now. I fell in love with this one. I first saw it. This one right here is a stag bone, 4 1/4 inches long, D2 steel. Check that out. Ain't that pretty? Beautiful bone handle. Ain't that awesome? I'm carrying this one for a little while. Pocket clip. You can see right through it. Got a liner lock. You can see that logo right there. Ain't that awesome? This D2 tool steel right there. See that? Pretty cool, ain't it? Man, that's a pretty knife, ain't it? I'm telling you guys, y'all need to go over there to Bear and Sons. Check their website out. They got some good looking knives now. They really do. That thing opens easy too. Man, beautiful right there. Awesome. Very cool. It's got the little thumb grip right there too. You can put your thumb right there. It's sharp too, boy. Ooh, boy, it's sharp. How about that, guys? I did not know Buc-ee's had knives. I did not know that. Awesome. Ever since I found that scout knife over there in Dothan. Y'all, Bear and Sons. That's from right here in Alabama. They're becoming one of my favorite brands to collect. Mainly because they still make knives in the USA. They're reasonable in price too. This one was $69. Now I did pay up a little bit on that. Paid 69 bucks. But these two went for 29 bucks a piece, guys. That was supposed to be 25. But they're, you see right there, made in the USA. Ain't that awesome, guys? See that? Made in the USA. Got your full lifetime warranty right there. See that? But again, guys, you can't beat that right there for $70. Stag handles, D2 steel. Awesome. Well, there you have it, guys. I just want to do a quick video today and just tell y'all happy Easter. And I certainly appreciate y'all. I really do so much. I appreciate all the support, all the subscribers. And just thank y'all so much, guys. And tomorrow I'll be going over the flea market knife haul. All the stuff I bought at the flea market and opening up another package. And that's going to be fun. So I just hope y'all enjoyed the video today. And I just say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Be like a good knife. Stay sharp.